Let me introduce you to Lynn. Lynn is an adorable little mushroom, I think. This is super soft furry, and this is an adorable hat, mushroom hat. If you've never had a Squishmallow, let me tell you, they are so soft and squishy, hence the name, and this one is no exception. This stuff is like a velour, super, super soft. This is a slightly different material, but still just extremely soft to the touch. Everything about these are made for cuddling. And this fur, this is like one of those super soft blankets that you cuddle up with on a cold winter night. That's exactly what he's made to do, is cuddle with. The seams are sewn so good. These seams are not coming apart. We've had a whole bunch of these. The kids can throw them around, they can lay on them, they can take them outside, car rides, whatever, and they just last and last and last. We've washed several in the machine. We have a front loader, not a top loader, so it doesn't have the little agitator thing. But if you throw it in that type of machine, they come out just fine. Usually wash it with some towels or something, and I've had no problem getting them out of there. If you're washing it with the little agitator thing, you may run into some problems. That may be too much agitation for the squishies. They may need to go to the hospital afterwards, but just a regular machine, they do okay with. They like their baths. They come smelling fine. They don't smell chemically or like they're covered in something that you would be afraid for your kids to get all over them, because they are going to love these things. So you can feel safe knowing that they smell good, therefore they probably are not coated in anything nasty. If you're buying one as a gift, you should know that the box has the name on the outside of it. It comes like this, just exactly like this from the store. It is not in a bigger box, but it says right on there. You see it? You see what I'm seeing? So if you're getting that gift for a child or an adult, who am I to judge? I bought that for myself. If you're buying that, you should know that the box will have that on the outside. So you got to make it to the box before they do. If they're a non-reader, then you're probably fine. Let me read what the little tag says, because if you never bought a Squishmallow, you may not know that they have a little backstory. Lynn doesn't just sing about the forest, she sings with the forest. This down-to-earth country singer loves humming with the bees and crooning with the crows. Her next album is dedicated to Mother Nature, and she hopes it inspires the world to protect her. So cute. Let me introduce you to Jeb. My kids love these things. He is incredibly soft. Every bit as soft as any Squishmallow you've ever touched, like cloud soft. His little tag says, "This mallow lives for the open road." Jeb takes road trips as often as he can and never gets tired of seeing all the new and beautiful landscapes. For Jeb, nothing beats the freedom of a long distance adventure, except for one thing, coming back home to his family. How cute is that? His tag has bats on it, so he's kind of a monster, Halloweenish type thing, but of course, Squishables are for any time. He's got this fluffy eyebrow here. He's just got a monobrow and these adorable little teeth. And then he's got two little tufts here and here, and then his purple horns. He is just adorable. The filling inside of him is evenly distributed, so it's not a whole bunch in one space and not enough in the other. It's evenly distributed throughout there. This does have its own filling, but this is sewn, so it's not connected to the rest of him. So you don't have to worry about it going out of there. I don't know how stuffing moves all and shifts all like that, but these will not shift because of the way they're sewn here. We did not do the unboxing, but I still wanted to share this adorable Micromallow with you. So cute. You get these in little eggs, and they get to open up the eggs, and that's also part of the fun. Just as soft as the regular mallows, but tiny. So cute. And let me show you in comparison. We've got Lynn here, who is 12 inches, and then we've got this teeny micro one. You want to talk about a great gift. You get one of these big ones and a little micro that they can open because they're surprise eggs. Any kid would love that. If you're on the fence about these, the quality is just as good as the regular marshmallow. The ears aren't stuffed though. They're pinned down, but not stuffed. Like this one, stuffing, just a pinned down piece of cloth. But otherwise, soft, just as soft. Adorable, just as adorable. A few of these in a stocking or as a gift for somebody's birthday is perfect. Oh, and let's not forget his adorable teeny tiny tail. Look at him. I love him. I think you'll love him too. And whoever you're giving it to will also love him. If you're looking for a little gift to give to your kids or yourself, this is a fun thing to give anytime. It doesn't have to be a special occasion. And I don't think you can go wrong with Lynn.